Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making salmon croquettes. You will need 2 14-ounce cans of pink salmon, 1/2 cup of onion, 1/2 cup of red bell pepper, 1/4 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to a frying pan, then saute the celery, red bell pepper, and onion for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the vegetables from the pan and set them aside until later. Place the salmon in a large bowl, making sure that you've drained off all the liquid and you've removed all the bones. To the salmon, add the parsley, mayonnaise, and mustard. Now add the sauteed vegetables and breadcrumbs. Season with the salt, pepper, and garlic powder, then add the eggs and mix until well combined. Now form the salmon into patties. Add the remaining olive oil to the frying pan, then fry the patties for 4 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown. After 8 minutes, remove them from the frying pan and then they are ready to serve. Salmon croquettes are great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab